Yeah, for a lot of y'all people out there that's looking for ways to make money, man, download the Lyft app. If you got driver's license, insurance, and all that, set yourself up an account and start driving for Lyft, man. You can make money. They even got, if you don't have a car, you can actually go through Lyft and they'll buy you a car, something like that. Let me see who she. I think that's her standing up there. Gotta be the only person I see standing outside of a Lyft, waiting for the Lyft, John.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, how about yourself?
Good. Just tired. Oh my God, it's so much going on in Atlanta today. I done missed my workout.
Yeah, Labor Day weekend. What you got planned for it?
I don't even know, because I've been everywhere literally this entire weekend.
Oh,
but
really?
I'm just literally irritated because I ain't been to the gym yet. Hold on one second. This is my
All right.
Hey. No, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing tonight. Honestly, I don't really care because I ain't worked out since Friday. And I'm literally going crazy. Like, I don't even... Yes, girl, I have not worked out since yesterday. Like, I'm trying to tell you. Girl, when I tell you I'm trying to get comfortable...
She's working out in the back.
No, he did not. Girl, shut the hell. Hold on one second. Hold on one second.
She has no clue that I'm recording this shit.
Bro, when I tell you, hold on, let me take this shit. Girl, yes. Yes. Girl. No, I said that yesterday. Shut the... Hold on one second. Excuse me. Oh, shit.
You got enough room?
Oh, am I making you uncomfortable?
Nah, it's okay.
Are you? Okay. I'm sorry. I ain't worked out all weekend. Whew. Girl, yes. I had to get a workout in. Yes, I'm not even going to tell you where I got it in, but I just know I got it in. You know me. Girl, you know me. Okay, I'm going to call you back later.
What do you do?
For
a living, like, what you do?
I do a lot. I'm a fitness trainer. I play rugby. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm a fitness model. If you can't tell, check the app.
Yeah, I could tell when I saw you standing outside. I was like, she definitely has to work out.
Oh, I do. I work out all the time.
I see. This is the first time I've ever seen somebody work out in the back of a car.
Oh, I really feel like I made you uncomfortable.
No, it's okay.
If I'm not, then that's fine, because I need to finish.
Nah, do what you gotta do,
Oh, you
man.
sure?
Customers are always right.
Okay, well, let me send you my push-ups then.
Just make sure I get 5 stars.
Oh, I'm going to give you 10.
Appreciate it.
Got you. Hold on. Put my... If you need, to get in shape, I can help you.
I definitely need a personal trainer.
Oh, I got you. That's what I do.
And you're located here in Atlanta, or are you just visiting?
I live here for now anyway. There's too much going on out here for me. Whew. I feel a lot better now. Appreciate you for being so cool, because,
Yeah. Oh, nah, I never, I ain't gonna trip.
I do this all the time to let you know. So, if you pick me up again, just have some water for me next time, okay? See?
Matter of fact, that you were, hasn't even been open. The customers, I gotta make sure.
Appreciate you.
It's all about customer satisfaction.
The customer's always right.
Yes.
You know how that go. Shit.
So you got Instagram? I'm gonna follow you.
Oh, I'm TrackBaby001. Keep your eyes on the road now.
All right now.
Track Baby.
I'm glad I didn't hit nothing while you was standing there.
I'm glad you didn't.
While you was working out, because you didn't have your seatbelt on. That's the only thing that I was looking at.
Oh, was you? See, next time I can figure out how to do a seatbelt workout. If that makes it better. But it's Track Baby 001. Like run track, baby 001.
Wow. You famous. I'm about to get a picture with
First
you.
of all, I'm not famous.
You got 238,000 followers on your Instagram.
Okay, and
Is it okay if I do like a selfie video with you or something?
Sure.
Wow. You have a lot. I'm doing a video. Shout
What's
out to,
good?
what you say your name was?
Track baby 001.
Track Baby 001,
001,
man. I can't believe I
Make
picked
sure
her
y'all
up today
follow
with
me.
Lyft.
Look, if y'all need some workouts, I got you. Like, hold on, let me show you. I got you.
Oh, man. Those are nice. I can't even really talk how I want to talk. You look amazing.
Appreciate you.
I'm a married man, so I gotta just keep it professional.
You do that. You better do that.
Oh, I can't believe I done met a celebrity. Guys to get me a selfie
But
picture.
look, like I said, if you need some workouts, I got you. Oh, we doing a selfie now?
Yeah. Can I get the abs?
Oh, okay. It's requested.
My homeboys ain't gonna believe it. Alright, appreciate it, man.
Alright, I got you.
Want some music?
I'm
You riding inside?
actually hot.
Huh?
I'm actually hot now, so
Cut the air up, or you want me to roll the windows down?
you can roll the window down. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do any other exercise.
Knock yourself out.
I done hit the arms.
You didn't get to go out to the gym today, so knock yourself out.
You know what? Let me see if I can maybe get some squats going on. You think I can do that without us getting pulled over?
Yeah, definitely. I got these tinted windows, so I gotta roll the window back up. It's gonna get a little hot back there.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Fall now. That's why I'm trying to drive slow.
See, this is the good thing about being short. You can do whatever you want to do. Here we go. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Jesus. 4. Oh, can you count them for me?
5.
Can you count? Thank you.
6.
Thank you. Don't hit the people walking now.
7.
Appreciate you.
8.
Come on, a little bit faster. My legs burning.
9.
Oh, shit.
10.
Okay. Oh, shit. Okay.
We here, almost.
Oh, we here? Jesus. Hold on, put my shoes back on. I took my shoes off. I don't know if that's a rule or not for Lyft drivers, but... Oof.
Nah, it's okay. Cause your feet didn't smell like corn chips or nothing, so I'm good.
Well, thank you, because last time somebody said opposite of
Oh, you said so? You did this workout in the Lyft truck before?
Of
or
course.
What type of car was they driving?
You don't even want to know.
Cause I'm in this big truck, so I'm wondering what they was in for you to be able to work out in. Was it a big truck or a small car?
It was a car, but it was a little roomy. So, you know, I'm not a car person, but it was big enough for me.
They ain't had no baby car seats or nothing in the back.
Surprisingly not. But thank you. I feel a lot better now. Don't hit the car now. So again, if you need a trainer, hit me up. I got you.
I got you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Oh, Shylock over here. Oh, never mind. Appreciate you.
No problem. You never know what you're gonna get in Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, I forgot. Can I have another water? Sorry, my legs is burning now. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Appreciate you.
All right, take care. She might need another water. I'm gonna have to buy some more waters, look like. Wow. She better give me 5 stars and a tip for all that damn water. Took all my water. Let's see who's next up. Peace out, guys. I'm gonna go live again in a minute. It'll take me a little break. Be good. Peace out.